Welcome students. See, let us continue our properties of inverse trigonometric functions. See, there are a lot of properties of inverse trigonometric functions. So I am releasing those properties one by one in my videos. So in this video, as we are observing here, see only two properties are there. So you don't have to buy out all these. So see, only thing is you have to practice this. So these two are very important properties which are asked many times in part C for 3 marks question. See, any one of the property will be asked. So only I am going to prove two properties in this video. Okay. Show that 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. So you don't have to worry about this. This is the restriction or condition. And another result is 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. X belongs to closed interval half comma 1. So these are the 3 marks questions. I hope you will understand the proof clearly. So very simple, 2 or 3 steps only. So I will consider one by one. So let us consider the first one here. See, 3 sin inverse x. Okay. See here, before going to the proof, see what is the idea here is, see what is the LHS here. LHS is given as 3 sin inverse x. I am talking about the first result. See here, the trick is, this is the inverse trigonometric function. So we begin by taking the sin inverse x as some angle, say theta. Then we will use the basic formula which we learned in first PUC. So that is the way we begin this one. So we take sin inverse x is equal to theta. Okay, let us do that here. So first one is, so let us take that sin inverse x as theta. Then once again by the definition, you shift sin inverse to the right side. I get x is equal to what? Sin theta. Okay. X is equal to sin theta. So then, so in the property, we shall consider, see the property we shall consider the right hand side. Okay, so I will consider that. So consider right hand side. So what is the right hand side here? See, right hand side is sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. 3x minus 4x cube. This was the right hand side. So here, so I can replace sin inverse. This is very simple here. 3. So what is x? X is sin theta. So that is 3 sin theta. So I will write here minus 4. See, x cube is there. That is sin cube theta. Sin theta whole cube means that is sin cube theta. So inside the bracket, what is the quantity I have? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So in first PUC, so we know this quantity 3 sin theta minus, see this 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is what? It is sin 3 theta. So it is the formula. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So this you can write separately here. So I will continue here. So I can take that as, see, sin inverse of, so the term inside the bracket, this term inside the bracket, what was the term inside the bracket? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Instead of that, I can write that as sin 3 theta, because we know the formula sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So now sin inverse and sin, so by the property I can write 3 theta. So 3 and this theta, what is this theta? Theta is sin inverse x. So this is our LHS. Simply we have to know the formula of sin 3 theta. Okay, that's why I said this is for 3 marks problem. You don't have to do anything here. Sin 3 theta, replace the term within the bracket by sin 3 theta, then you replace theta by sin inverse x. I hope it's clear. So let us go for see here, this one is over. So similarly you can prove this second one here. So second one is same, but only thing is cos inverse is given. So I can go for second one. See how we began in the first case. Let cos inverse x is equal to say theta, then this x is equal to, you shift this cos inverse to right hand side, I will get cos theta. So x is equal to what? Cos theta. Okay, then we have to consider right hand side, so that I will do in the next step. So consider RHS is equal to, so what was the RHS in the result? So we can copy from there, copy from the question, cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. This was our RHS. So I can replace this one here, cos inverse of, see 4, see this x cube, x means what? Cos theta. So that becomes cos cube theta minus 3x, x means cos theta. See now cos inverse of, see this whole thing inside the bracket, remember this, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to what? This is the very important multiple angle formula which I am going to write here. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, this is equal to cos 3 theta, multiple angle formula. So now I can write this as 3 theta, and 3 and theta is what? Theta is cos inverse x. So this is our LHS. Okay, cos inverse of cos 3 theta, so it becomes 3 theta, 3 cos inverse x, so that is equal to our desired result. So in this way we can prove these two results. So these are very important properties. So important properties for 3 marks. So you can practice the proofs in the rough notebook. Okay, so let us learn about some more properties in the next class.